Despite an evacuation order, groups of people were found near restive Taal Volcano. Dennis Statono joins us with that story. Dennis?
Yes, Carmina. Yes, Carmina, Calabarzon and Batangas disaster officials, along with PBOX and Philippine Coast Guard and other government agencies, went to Taal Volcano Island to check if the policy of no human settlement in the volcano island, which is a declared permanent danger zone, is being followed. As the authorities went to the volcano island in the area under the municipality of Talisay, they saw small houses and groups of men there. When authorities talked to the men, they explained that they were not living there permanently, but were only there to feed their fish in the fish cages. They also claimed that they are following the window hours, which only allowed them to stay on the